Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we are going to see the Google's new augmented reality tool which helps you to maintain the social distancing in this pandemic situations. So this tool is being developed by Google and it is still in experimental phase. As you are all aware, the world is facing the unprecedented crisis of pandemic situations. So to protect ourselves and the others, we need to maintain self hygiene and social distancing whenever we are in outside locations. So we are required to follow the lockdown guidelines and social distancing norms to stop the spread of coronavirus. So similar to this, there is a one app which is being developed by United Nations which is called 1.5, which helps you to achieve the social distance of 1.5 meters from your fellow human beings. However, this application requires the people around you to have their Bluetooth turned on to notify you if they enter in your vicinity. But the Google has now jumped into it to help the users to maintain social distancing with its new augmented reality tool Sodar. It does not require to install any kind of application in your phone, or nor does it need the people around you to have their phone on them. This augmented reality tool Sodar uses WebXR to visualize 2-meter radius ring around you to help you to maintain the social distancing. The phone uses the augmented reality to map the area around you, superimposing the virtual ring on the view from your camera. So currently this application is being only supported by Android phones. That too, it only works in Google Chrome browser. So if you are going to use any of the other browsers such as Opera, Firefox or any other third party browsers, it will not work. So the current support is only limited to Android phones, Google Chrome browser. So we will see the step by step procedures, so how to use these applications. So you need to know that to use this application, the prerequisite is Android phone and Google Chrome browser which is updated to the latest version. So if you are using any Apple iPhones, so currently this feature will not support in Apple iPhones. So let's begin. So I am opening my Google Chrome browser. So you need to browse to this address which is sodar.withgoogle.com. So I will leave this link in the description so you can experiment this application on your phones. So currently I have already opened this website. So when you open this website, there is a minimalistic user interface. You can see the application name, web application name Sodar, a small description which tells us it uses AR to visualize social distancing guidelines around you. So there is a one link. Let's see what it tells about. It tells that Sodar uses WebXR to help visualize 2-meter social distancing guidelines in your environment. So when you press back, so it comes back to its home page. So there is nothing much in the user interface to have a look upon. So there is one single button which is known as launch. So currently I will refresh this page as I have already opened 5 to 10 minutes before recording this video. So I will refresh this page. So once you refresh this page, you will see a button which is called as launch. So press launch. So it will tell you to find the ground. So you need to point your camera phone to the ground and move it around. So I am currently pointing my camera phone to the ground and I am currently moving to scan the whole ground. So probably it will take some time to detect because it is still in experimental phase. Actually what it does, it plots a grid and then it will create a social security ring of 2 meters. Let's try by refreshing this page and try to launch it again. So currently I will refresh this page and launch this application again. So let's see whether it will detect the floor and plot its grid to generate a virtual security perimeter. I think my phone is not responding properly. I need to close this browser and reopen this browser. So I will refresh this page once again. So I will click on launch. So I am pointing it to the ground. So it should generate the grid. Yeah, so you can see the grid has been generated, and if you point your phone, I'm currently pointing my phone to the wall, so you can see the 2-meter security radius has been generated. So it helps you to maintain the 2-meter distance from one people to another to maintain hygiene and to protect yourself and the community. Okay, so you can see this is a virtual grid and a virtual security perimeter around you of 2 meters. So if there are any questions regarding this applications, please mention down into the comment section, so I will try to try to answer all of your questions, how to use it, whether you find this information useful or not. So if you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe. It will surely motivate me a lot to create many such useful videos. Thank you guys. Thank you.